Like a Daft Punk teddy bear. Miley. Is she trying to mimic what's on her shirt with like this bear having a weird tongue hanging out of its mouth? I don't understand the outfit. Alright, dancers have bears attached to their backs. Why? So she's trying to be black? I don't understand the dancers with bears on their backs. Or the dancers that are bears. Is this out of context? Like, what is the context of this? She's slapping someone's booty. What is with the bears? I don't understand. This is out of context, right? Really. I don't understand. I mean, did somebody choreograph? Like, her choreographer should be. Choreography is terrible, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. This doesn't make any sense. Nothing about this is... If she just stood there and sung the song, it would have been better. She trying to do an MJ thing now? Grabbing the crotch? Alright, and here comes Beetlejuice with his highly offensive song. Great. And now she has a foam hand. How did she get a foam hand? And she's pointing to her crotch. She can't sing this song at all. I don't know if she's a good girl, Robin Thicke. I'm just saying. I don't even think she's twerking. I don't know what people are talking about. None of this looks like those amazing twerk videos I've seen on YouTube. That just looks... Oh. I have a feeling this was not rehearsed. And she's just doing some crazy shit because she can. Oh, is the Miley part over? 2 Chainz. Black Michael Jackson? Oh, I guess it's still like a Robin Thicke thing. I wanna sit you very long for them to be giving her this much attention. I mean, that was definitely stupid. I don't understand why it happened. But it wasn't... Was it really deserving of that much attention? I think people really blew that out of proportion. It was definitely stupid.